Oh, just started recording. Missed that ultralight. That was cool. He took off right here, didn't he?
Yeah, right across the road over here. That'll get your heart rate up, Steve.
Yeah, get the lather going right away in the morning.
Yeah.
So funny.
Flush that all that bacon out of your system.
Right.
That's right. Probably fall over the other way now.
I know. You want me to come hold? I'm plugged in. Otherwise, I'd already be there.
He's going to give us a flyby here, Eric.
Oh, yeah. You got your video on?
Yep, I'm videoing.
Even touch and goes, I guess.
Okay, I'm good. I must have just not buckled them up.
Press on.
Lee.
Well, I'm going to give him a little room here.
He's pretty high.
Yeah. That's a cool looking little plane.
Yeah, it is.
Trainer or something.
Two-seater.
I guess that's what the one that you call that a sport plane?
Experimental.
Ultralight.
Yeah.
Another half mile, and then we should be getting on tar in a neighborhood.
About maybe 5 is what I've been doing, but it's still a quite enjoyable ride, just keeping him 400 yards in front of me.
Well, we're making our way up to Prescott. Steve, are you still there? John, are you on? Wagner? Can you get